Yeah, hello guys. This is the Tech on iPhone clinic. I'll quickly explain my brief experience on the iPhone 12 screen teardown. To carry out the iPhone 12 screen teardown successfully, you need the following equipment. One, we need the iPhone screwdriver for loosening the bottom screws. For further loosening, you need the Y screwdriver also. Then two, we need the suction cup to lift up the screen as at when due or when needed. Then three, we need the LCD separating machine, and is to be set on 60 degrees Celsius or 61.3 degrees Celsius. Then we need your opening tools. Then the following things you need to know when opening your iPhone 12 screen. One, you need to be calm and stay relaxed. Then two, you need to gather your confidence if it's your first time of trying the teardown of the iPhone 12 screen. Then three, you need to be patient with yourself. You don't have to rush. Then four, the last part is you have to heat up the screen on the LCD machine for up to 30 seconds or 45 seconds. So all these tips, you have to put it together, and when using your opening tools to bring up the screen, you have to be very, very, very careful. So guys, hope these tips work. You can see what I'm doing with the iPhone 12 screen. So you have to be very, very careful. So your suction cup must be using it. You must be using your suction cup to bring up the screen. And we know that from iPhone 12, our screen flex is at the left hand side, not at the right hand side anymore. So all these tips, you need to put it in place because you have to be very, very careful when you open it. So guys, don't forget to like the video, and if it's your first time of visiting this our channel, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if this video is helpful. You can see at this junction, you can see we're almost done with the iPhone 12 screen teardown. The screen is almost open. So guys, if you love this video, don't forget to like, and if you are a returning subscriber, like I said, don't forget to like the video. And if you are a new subscriber, you are welcome to this channel, TearDown on iPhone clinic. So don't forget to subscribe after watching. So guys, thank you for watching. This is TearDown on iPhone clinic.